Hey guys, welcome back to Danny's vlogs, and today, as you can see, I'm vlogging right now at 3:30. Well, actually, 3:30. Yeah, it says 15:30, but it's actually 3:30. Oh my gosh, when this my leg, it ripped apart, but then it came back to the spot for some reason. I don't know. But you guys, did you had in the news? Well, the people that live in Puerto Rico and are watching my videos right now. So, have you heard the hurricane that is coming towards us in Puerto Rico? It's Cataract 5, number 5. With all that speed that was coming towards here, 5. And they say that this is the first time that Puerto Rico is having a hurricane category 5. Like this, there's already been 1, 2, and 3. Not 4 and not 5, but instead of 4, 5. Oh my god, like this is so bad. So guys, I'm prepared, but it's not happening. The hurricane is not coming this night. When tomorrow, and then that tomorrow at night, that's the day that the hurricane is coming at night. So right now there's a little bit of drops right now because it's raining a little bit. Hey, you can see Larry over there in the distance eating her food. Well, let me, guys, wait, give me a second. I'm so lazy, I don't even want to open the gate. So instead I just over them. I always jump over them. For some reason, I'm like really lazy. Hey, Nori! You're preparing yourself for the hurricane, right? She's saying yes. She's preparing herself for the hurricane. And Luna's over here in the garage, chilling out. She's chilling out. She's chilling out. Oh, you little mochi poop. She's so tiny little beauty. Guys, do you know Wingy? The DIY videos? I just love her DIYs. Like, looking at her DIY so much. Like, I made my very own DIY. Like, my very own DIY is, what is it called again? My telephone case. It turned, because it broke, and and then the black thing came out because the glue wasn't strong enough. Then it was completely black. It was completely black. Then But then I decided to make a DIY. So from black, I painted it purple. As I made, well, you don't have to learn actually because I made a video yesterday. So you can, if you didn't check that out, go check it out in the description down below. So yeah. Oh my gosh, Wendy loves unicorns. Like, I'm like her fan. I'm like her fan right now because I love unicorns just like her. That's why my cover and everything, well, not my cover, but I mean like my caps lock and everything is made of unicorns. So weird. Like, we're both weird because we both unicorns, but that's our thing. And I watched the Reacticorn video. Guys, I know I'm a little bit stupid right now, but I really want you in the comments down below, say what is Wendy's boyfriend's name, because I don't know, I don't remember Well, I don't know if he said his name, but like I really don't know. Like I really don't know. So yeah. Oh, they took out the pool. So sad. And we're preparing for the hurricane. Well, in my house, but this is my grandma's house that I'm right now. So that's why oh my god, what is the word? I'm preparing in my very own house, but my grandma's house, because it's made out of wood. She has a cement garage, so she's gonna move here because it's category 5. And look at this, it's so crazy. Like my grandma, today in the supermarket, we bought so many gallons of water. 4 medium gallons of water and a big one. Like so crazy. I'm right now recording with a phone. Like I can't put it right there. Oh my gosh. I'm right. You guys are right now at the top of the car. I'm only 9 years old. I was about to say my car, but I'm 9 years old. How could it be my car? Like yeah. Look, this is so cool. The haters when they wanna come and they want. Wait, let me explain it better. Let me open. It isn't raining or anything? Okay, great. Perfect. So look, when the haters come, they're gonna look here, but they can't see anything. But when the haters are coming, close it. The haters are coming. I'm gonna do this. See? It's really cool. There's somebody there. I don't know if that's my grandma or my grandpa. I don't know. But let's go. Bye, little smushy poop. Little smushy poop. And guys, comment down below if you like Luna. Do you like Luna, Lana, or Loggy? Loggy is the gray one, the oldest one. Luna is the little one that we're right here. You need a mushy poop. And the white one is Lana. So, which of the 3 ones you like better? Tell me in the comments down below. Remember, there's 3. If you don't remember, I'll say it. You can watch the video. I have to make a video about Lana because I made only a video about Loggy and Luna. I should show Lana. Oh my gosh, this has crumbled so much that it looks like, I don't know what this looks like. It looks like some like one type of food or something, but smushed. Doesn't it look like that somebody put the whole box of cereal? Not the whole box, but I mean the whole cereal in there, and then by the days it crumbled. It looks like mashed potatoes. Like I'm going everywhere right now. Like I don't know what to do. Do you guys watch Ruby Rube? I just like watch it Ruby Rube a lot, and yeah, look at this. I got the monkey one, and it's in my grandma's car. So it's in my grandma's car. Monkey. I had a duplicate of another monkey. This is the monkey that I have right now in my grandma's car, but when I went to McDonald's with my dad, they gave me another monkey, so I gave it to Gala, my dog. Sorry, my grandpa's there. They're right now talking Spanish. Oh my gosh, that got scared. Oh my gosh. What I was saying was that my parents, well, my grandma, like whole Puerto Rico talks Spanish. They don't talk English. But I learned talking English, and I wasn't born ever in another place. I was born exactly in Puerto Rico, but I started talking English for some reason. Not for some reason. It's because I watched so many movies, every single movie in Spanish. I mean in English, not Spanish. In English. And the craziest thing is, I don't ever like talking Spanish. Never. I only like talking English. But it embarrassed me it embarrasses me for some reason. I don't like talking English in front of my parents for some reason. So yeah, let's go back to front part. I'm gonna bring Luna. Come on, Luna. Luna, come on. Come on. Come on, little honey. It's okay, let's go this way. Let's go this way. It's so bright. But then see, they talk Spanish. Let's go here. Okay, keep going. I might have to go this way. I like clean stuff. Got it. There's people there, but I'm not gonna judge. Guys, so I'm giving a giveaway of the hats, the pink hats that I'm giving away. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment anything down below and like the video. So, and you're gonna see in your giveaway this little fluffy poop. I'm not gonna sell her. She's so cute. If you don't know her name, so is Luna, Luna, Luna. And Largy, it's Largy, Largi, Largy. And Lana, it's Lana. It's like DNA. I'm so weird. I'm so weird for some reason. So yeah, give me a moment, guys. So guys, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new, subscribe, turn on notifications so you can enter the giveaway. And yeah guys, that's gonna be it for the video. So remember guys to say in the comments if you're gonna join Dan TDM's dab police to stop the dab, or do you wanna join mine that is not stopping the dab. Is everybody like it? If everybody likes the dab, join me, the dab police. The never stopping dab police. Okay? Peace. Peace. Oh guys, and I forgot one more thing. Who forgot to say bye? Everyone. We love you. Subscribe. Okay? So yeah, right now, peace.